dear friends, a very good morning to you all. A warm welcome to each and every one of you. Distinguished manager, respected headmistress, teachers, and my dear fellow students. Welcome back to the Palavayal. At last, this beautiful day has arrived. I am sure you all have eagerly been waiting for this English Online Fest. Today, I am delighted to thank the presence of the personality that hardly need any introduction. It's none other than our headmistress, Mrs. Ansi P. Matthew, and I am really honored to welcome you, dear headmistress. Now I would like to welcome Reverend Dr. Thomas Chittilapalli, School Manager. He is over here today to inaugurate this English Fest. We really value your presence. Thank you for your precious time and goodwill. Welcome to you, our dear Father. Today we have two people for felicitation, Mr. Sajeevan and Mrs. Luna. Both of them have agreed to come over here and spend their time with us. It's my pleasure to welcome both of you. Hearty welcome. Indeed, a great pleasure seeing all the students gathered here. We all are here for because of you and we really love you. Hearty welcome to all my students. Thank you.
Respected Manager Reverend Dr. Thomas Chittilapalli, Assistant Manager Father Alvin Nedungal, PTA President Sajeevan Plathotam, MPTA President Luna Pillanikavil, my dear teachers and dear students. Today we are celebrating the Online English Fest 2021. On this occasion, first of all, I would like to congratulate the initiative taken by Sister Jenny, resource person of English course, for organizing this event. This online English fest aims to improve the communication skill and vocabulary of students. And also I am sure that the program will help the students to build a strong foundation for their language skill. As we all know, in the present world, English is recognized as a common medium of communication for sharing our ideas, knowledge, feelings, etc. with all others across the world. English is the most widely spoken language and considered as the official language of 53 countries. Knowledge in this language helps us to get a better job in the future, makes easier travel, and also English is the language of media. From this we can understand the need and importance of studying English. Irrespective of this, studying a new language also allows us to communicate with new people and helps to see things from different perspective or get a deeper understanding of another culture. Once again, I take this opportunities or appreciate all my teachers, and I believe that all my dear students will utilize this opportunity maximum. With this, I would like to conclude my words. Thank you all.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I
Respected HM Mrs. Hansi P. Matthew, Reverend Sister Jenny Matthew, respected teachers, dear parents, my dear loving children. It is now my great privilege and high honor to inaugurate Hello English World Online Fest, conducted under the initiative of St. John's LP School, Palavayal. In this context, I would like to say few words regarding this subject. However, we all love our mother tongue very much. Unfortunately, it is not useful in the professional life. We find people moving to other countries in search of work. English is the official language in many countries in the world. Therefore, for a job-seeking person, English is a must in this 21st century, whether he like it or not. In order to fulfill our dreams, we have to learn English. We have to improve our English. To improve our language, the only means is to practice. Practice every day, practice every now and then. Regarding the practice, the first point is listening. When you listen English, you will get translated some meaning of the matter in our own language. Don't try to translate everything in our own language. Instead, continue listening the same part again and again. Gradually, you will get the clue of understanding a different language. Secondly, learn it by imitation. We should imitate whenever new English is heard. Thirdly, try to read. Try to read every day, if it is possible, same passage. Fourthly, try to think in English. Usually we think in the language we know best, that is our mother tongue. On the contrary, try to think in English. Lastly, try to speak English. We have to take pain to speak English. Usually, people feel uncomfortable in speaking, but they feel very comfortable in hearing. Let us try to speak English. Let us take it as a challenge. If you are ready to take it as a challenge, you will improve your language. You will learn better English. With that hope, I am happy to inaugurate the Hello English World Online Fest. Thank you.
Respected chief guests, teachers, and my dear students. First of all, I congratulate those who organized the English Fest in the online platform. In today's competitive world, The importance of English can be ignored. The most difficult part of our life is English. But if we practice or study regularly, we can achieve it well. If you don't know English, however excellent you are, you don't get as much success in your life. In personal life, we need our mother tongue, but in professional life, we need English. Unless we practice well, we can't learn English. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Dear students, through English, we can improve our language, our culture, and our character. Every day, we can develop and study this language. Nowadays, English is very popular language. Watching this program by participating by English.
Respected manager, assistant manager, headmistress, resource person of today's program, other teachers, parents, and my dear students. I hope all my dear students enjoy and utilize the session at its maximum. I would like to thank all the people who have contributed directly or indirectly to this online English Fest 2021. Thank you, one and all.
I am Shivani S. Nair. My school name is St. John's LP School, Palalel. I am studying 4th class. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm, crawl, crawl, crawl. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm, crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit, jump, jump, jump. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit, jump, jump, jump. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Four fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat, meow, meow, meow. Four fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat, meow, meow, meow. Five fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a tiger, grr, grr, grr. Five fingers.